I did have a question about any tips that you could share, because the community that you take care of is super inclusive, of course, because of your different focal points. Do you have any tips that you could share with companies that are trying to lead themselves in that direction and don't really know how to start? Any tips that you might have, considering you have, some successful women-led groups, and communities, that would be really helpful.
Absolutely. So I would say, like, if you're just starting out, my advice is to put together either officially or unofficially, like some sort of small advisory board. And if your intention is to be really inclusive, then think about like what that means to you and your company and try to grab, like I said, 5 people of different race, ethnicity, different like level in their organization, man, whatever, non-binary person, like grab any of those people and either talk to them individually or get them in a room together and show them the things that you're making. Like, I think a lot of the way that I was earlier in my career was like, I want to build the perfect thing and then I want to present it and like, it's going to be amazing. And it's like, you have to show things before they're fully built or finished. You have to show them to people and show them to diverse people because you're inside your own echo chamber, inside your head. Maybe the people you work with on the daily are really similar to you. So Amazing Women is probably the best example that I have of this. Like, inclusivity is always something we have in our minds when we're picking our class of honorees, when we're setting up an event, because just being inclusive creates so much more of an interesting conversation. Getting those different perspectives in the room is pretty much everything when it comes to Amazing Women. That's my babble. That's my advice for inclusivity.
No, I think that's great advice, and I think for somebody like me that's quite junior in my role, it's amazing to hear these things. And I work for a company that really does highlight inclusivity. We discuss it. We're still starting out with those conversations, but it's amazing to have those opportunities to speak without being judged, and knowing that this is going to echo in and trickle down into the communities that we take care of, is very empowering as well. So that, coupled up with being a woman, is like it's like a superpower. So I appreciate the efforts that Yotpo is doing. I think it's amazing.